Today I'm going to show you the process of creating videos like this with the help of AI, combining several tools in a super simple way. Want to know how? I'll tell you right now, but first make sure to subscribe to the channel so you are always up to date with all the news and tutorials on AI to maximize your creativity. So now, let's go! First, let's create the base images for our compositions. For this, we'll use Rendernet. You can access through this link, and I also leave it in the description. Once inside, go to Studio and uncheck the casual mode, which is selected by default, and choose HDR. I've prepared a very effective prompt to create hyper-realistic creatures in different environments. Play around with it to give your personal touch, and once you are ready, click on Generate. Rendernet allows multiple generations at the same time, so let's take advantage of that, and while they are being created, let's take a quick look at everything I've done so far. I love it. Now, once our images are ready, select the ones you like the most and download them. With everything ready, let's move to Photoshop. Here, create a blank file and start importing each of the images, placing them where you like best. Leave some blank spaces and finally remove the background. When we are done, we'll use the selection tool and apply generative fill little by little. We could select everything at once, but this way we have more control over the final composition, since we can always iterate between the three options Photoshop gives us. And there we have it. What do you think? But we are not done yet. Now we are going to animate it. How? With Runway and its motion brush. Go to the Gen 2 option, upload your image, and in the motion brush section, select the areas you want and apply different movements and effects to add dynamism to the final composition. As you can see, the final result is amazing. I have noticed that I also added some sound effects and background music. I created the sound effects with 11 Labs and the music with Udio, and later on the channel I'll show you how you can do it yourself. And that's all for today, folks. If you like it, leave a like and comment with your feedback. I'm paying close attention to all of your contributions. Tech Hala signing off. Bye bye, guys.